Okay, y'all, this is day 9. So now, after sitting in the refrigerator uncovered for the past 2 days, it's now time that I can go in here and look at my pork belly. And now I'm going to put it on the grill for 3 hours and smoke it. But this is my first time looking at it, so let's take a look. There it is. Ah, yeah. All right, so I am now bringing in the pork belly that has been in the refrigerator for the past 9 days. And I am now finally going to get a chance to smoke it for 3 hours and see how my very first attempt at my own bacon comes out. Now here's the moment we've been waiting for. Putting the pork belly on the grill. Breck, are you ready? My husband is filming, so he knows I've been waiting for this moment. So I'm going to put it on there. I've got my probe, and I'm going to put my probe in. Put it there. And close it up. So I'm going to cook it low and slow at 200 degrees for about 3 hours, or until the internal temperature reaches 150 degrees. Either way, y'all don't know. I cannot wait to see how this bacon tastes.